Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. So I just got out of the shower and this will be the second time that I've used this product. This is the Briogeo Rosearco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Now I got this in my April 2018 Ipsy bag and I was really excited to get this because I've already tried their Curl Charisma Cream and I really do enjoy it. It says Rosearco Milk is an ultra lightweight leave-in conditioning spray that contains a nourishing blend of rose hips, argan, and coconut oils, and it has in parentheses Rosearco. And it says usage: spray through clean, damp hair prior to air or blow drying. Do not rinse out. And it says 6 free hair care. No sulfates, parabens, silicones, phthalates, artificial colors, and no DEA. And of course, they've got it in English and in French. So this is what I'm working with. This is 0.75 ounces or 22 milliliters. Trying to get the camera to focus. Hello. It's probably as best as I'm going to be able to do. So I haven't taken my hair down since I put it up. Now what I did last time was I made sure I shook it really well, and then I just sprayed my chest. It's okay, I'll just use my hair to wipe it off. Okay, and now I just take my brush and run it straight through my hair and work in that product. Last time I used it, I was testing out a shampoo and conditioner. So now that I've washed my hair with my regular shampoo and conditioner, maybe my hair will react a little differently. And we'll see. If you watch the final review of the Hask Beauty coconut milk and organic honey shampoo and conditioner review, which will be posted before this, then you'll see what my hair looks like. And I should have recorded that video in the morning, but alas, I did not. I woke up at like 3:30 in the morning, couldn't go back to sleep, and I wasn't going to record at that hour. You probably can't even see all of my hair. Let me see if I can get you pointed down a little bit. Okay, so you see where my natural waist is, and then this is where my belly button is, so I'll put my shorts right there. And now you can see how long my hair is. It goes all the way down. And if I take a regular cosmetology comb, which is a standard 8-inch that I would have used in the salon to comb somebody's hair before cutting it, probably should have started with the bigger end, but a lot of people don't realize how long my hair actually is because it's wavy and it does shrink up about a good 6 inches. Everybody's like, don't cut your hair, don't cut your hair. Well, when I start sitting on my hair, I'm going to cut it. Because usually that's about the time I start getting really bad headaches. And I did just get new hair scrunchies for my hair. The ones that I'm currently using have little ridges in them, which isn't, it's not that big of a deal. Just for an example, that's the one I took out before I got in the shower, and then there's this one here. So they both have like little ridge designs on them. And I've also got these, but they make my head hurt after a while. These are made out of like terry cloth. So they're super soft, but they're like terry cloth. So there's no, other than the seam where they're sewed together. And I have a wide variety of colors. There's all of them. Closest I've got to what I'm wearing is either the gray or this like slate blue color. I guess I'll use the gray one. It's almost a perfect match to what I'm wearing. And it seems to be a little tougher than the rest of them, like resistance wise. So we'll see how it does in my hair. Now you can see just how long it is with my hair all combed out. So I'm gonna let my hair be. I'm probably gonna throw it up in a messy bun here because I have to wash my face. I'm gonna try a new face mask here in a minute that I also got in an Ipsy bag. So I just kind of always lightly scrunch it, and then I flip upside down. I just kind of just gather my hair. I don't really do anything special. I don't measure it or anything. And you figure I do take it down right before bed because you never want to like go to bed with your hair braided when it's wet or leave it up in a bun or anything like that, because what happens is if you do that too often, your hair will actually mildew because the water buildup in your hair will breed different types of bacteria, especially if you've got product in your hair. And since this has natural oils in it, then it would be all kinds of germ friendly. That's how I put my hair in a bun. And when it's dry, it looks a little different, but now that it's wet, it'll wobble. But anyways, I am Rebecca Oberstadt, guys. This is the second try-on of the Rosearco. It's not even gonna focus on this. It's too bright in here. The Briogeo Rosearco milk, and I will take better pictures of this. There we go. Anyways, I really like the smell of it. It says it's supposed to have rose and coconut, rose hips, argan oil, and coconut oil. I smell the argan oil, but I don't really smell the rose hips or the coconut, which is a good thing. I don't care for coconut fragrances at all. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. If you like hair related videos and you want to see more, then I do have a playlist that I will link in a card up above so you can follow that. I will also leave it as an end screen note so that you can click on it there. And if you want me to test out certain hair products, then leave me a comment in the comment section below. I am always testing out new products. My hair is very kind of long, thick, coarse, dry, frizzy, unmanageable. So it's the whole 9 yards. It comes with having textured hair. So I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, and if you're not already a subscriber and you would like to be, click the subscribe button down below. It does help me out. And if you want to be notified of when I post a new video, then click the little bell icon, and feel free to share this with your friends and hit the thumbs up button if you like it. I will see you guys later.